The new Bang Olufsen Cisco 950 earbuds are not yet available, but here at Let's Do Video, we managed to get a set to show you. Let's take a closer look. Right now we're going to unbox this, take a look at its feature set as listed on the website, and most importantly, tell the story of how I got these and what I think it means about Cisco and Webex. One thing we can't do is a product performance review because, well, I don't have a product. I have a prototype. I don't have the final version of the software. And these type of devices, the performance is mostly the software. It could perform differently once the final release is out. But I really don't think performance is the concern here. I mean, they're going to perform like B&O headsets. So let's unbox it. Right away, when I open up the front flap, I have a QR code to the Getting Started guide. Okay, this we'll have to review. This we'll talk about at the end. This explains how I got it. It was a thank you to the analysts attending the recent WebexOne event in Anaheim. On the back is a QR code to download the B&O app to manage the device, and a note saying that it's a prototype unit and not intended for public product reviews. So again, we are not reviewing it. We are simply looking at the prototype, looking at the features as listed on the website, and thinking about what this means for Cisco and Webex. The next thing in the box is the carrying case. Plastic here, so it's satisfying. And one thing I love about the case, it has a USB-C charger in the back, but it does wireless charging. You put it on the same little pad where you charge your iPhone and it charges up, which is great. Pop it open. Here are the earbuds themselves. You could probably get a better view if I just show you the pictures on the website back here. That is B&O design. And that's pretty much it. They fit in. This is the recharger case. I read the specs. It's a 5-hour charge. They charge pretty quickly. In 20 minutes, it gives you an hour and a half of charge. In an hour and a half, it gives you the full 5 hours of charge. The case has 2.5 charges, so you can pretty much use them all day. And you could use one while the other one is charging, so you can keep them rotating and really keep them going all day. And finally, in the box, we have a utility pack. In here, we have our charger cord, which I won't be using because I love the wireless charging. Information, and a little package with different earbud sizes. Now this is where Let's Do Video digs deeper than any other analyst firm, because I was confused by this because there's large, small, extra small. The ones that are on the set appear to be mediums, but then there's this also, I don't know if you could see, comply, so dumb. Comply, trademarked. So what's the difference? The Comply ones look a little bit cooler. Are these for the cool kids? And I decided to dig deep and find out what's going on here. The difference is the other ones are silicone and the Comply are foam. The advantage is foam, some people say, are a little bit more comfortable, fit the ear a little bit better, block things off better. Why would you want to use the silicone ones? They say it's for sport. I think what they mean is if you have sweaty ears, you don't want to use the foam ones. You won't hear this anywhere else but at Let's Do Video. And that is all that is in the box. One thing that's notably not in the box, pretty much all USB wireless earbuds or ear sets require a USB dongle for your PC. They all work great with Bluetooth. I guarantee this thing's going to connect to my phone in 2 seconds. But for some reason, my PC and a lot of PCs just don't do Bluetooth well. So all of the other wireless UC headsets that I've looked at have come with a wireless dongle for my PC. I believe Cisco has a universal wireless UC dongle that works with all of its wireless headsets. I know I have one somewhere and I bet it would work with this, but I can't find it right now. But until I find it or just go get a new dongle, I'm limited to using these on my phone. Now again, I got a prototype. Things are subject to change. Just because my prototype didn't come with the dongle doesn't mean that the final version won't come with the dongle or with an option to get it with the dongle. Taking a look at its feature set, it's what you expect from a set of premium UC earbuds. It has the controls, the touch controls, volume, mute, answer a call, noise cancellation, all the bells and whistles, everything you would expect. What I think is most interesting about these earbuds is why Cisco's offering them at this time, and well, how I got my pair. One of my most popular videos this year is a product review of a set of premium UC earbuds certified for Zoom and Microsoft Teams. There is a demand out there, there is a need out there, there's a market out there for premium UC earbuds. So obviously there has to be a set of premium UC earbuds designed specifically for Webex, and that's what these are. Now this is a little bit different. It's not really a certification. They are Cisco earbuds in a way. They'll be managed by the Cisco Control Hub software. That's how you'll update the firmware on the earbuds. So how did I get them, and why do I think that's the biggest part of the story? I was at the WebexOne event. It was a big event in Anaheim. Cisco hosted us and a lot of customers and partners. They had Robert De Niro and Neil deGrasse Tyson. It was really super cool. And at one point there was a room full of us, analysts. There was, I don't know, 30 to 50 of us. I'm not that good with numbers. And everyone got a set of these. So they just handed out $10,000 to $20,000 worth of earbuds to industry analysts. And they all say right on the box, designed for Webex. They want us to put these on and make a bunch of Webex calls. They're trying to get us to give Webex another chance. Now, I've been in this industry long enough that for every time that I've heard that Cisco is going to fix Webex so that we're going to, it's going to be a modern solution and we're going to like it, there's a chair at this table for every time that's happened. But this time things might be a little bit different. They could have given us t-shirts, they could have given us mugs. They gave us Webex headsets because they want us to try Webex. And then they briefed us on all the changes they made to Webex. And that, I think, is the bigger story here. And that's going to be in another video. I'm doing a live stream, my live stream with the wonderful Tim Banting. Maybe by the time you see this, that live stream will happen, in which case the link will be in the bottom. But we are going to have a big talk about everything that we learned at WebexOne and what that means, and our thoughts about whether this time the change to Webex, the new Webex, is the real deal. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and please like and subscribe.